The rain is slowing down.
A perfect time to go out.
Yay! Let's go! I want to see the garden.
These greens look so fresh.
I got one. Me too.
Good work, everyone.
These carrots are so fresh.
Can we help, Mom?
Almost done washing them.
It looks fun. Wow, it's bubbling so much.
These herbs will add a lovely flavor.
It will be a delicious stew.
Wow, this looks amazing.
I'm glad you think so. Let's eat.
I'm so glad we're all here.
Me too. This is the best.
It certainly is.